Sorba.
Good.
Yes.
How are you?
Okay.
Yeah, good. How are you? How are you?
Good.
Good.
Back again. Good?
Yeah, I'm good yourself.
Yeah, good, thank you. This is Kylie.
Hello, you okay?
Really? Again?
Again.
Oh, yeah.
You've got your passport. Amazing. Quick exchange. This is Kylie,
Hi,
Darlow.
nice to meet you.
Okay.
Yeah, good, thank you.
Went 2 pieces out. Ah, that's like clear as your head, isn't it? That's all. I like that. Okay.
Good?
Oh, Carl, guys.
Been upstairs,
Yeah.
Hello, you good?
Yeah, good. How are you? Good.
Alright, son. He's cracking it.
I've got your passport.
Right.
You alright?
Okay, you alright? Hello.
It's right there in front of me. You good? Yeah, good, thank you. Do a swap. Okay. We're in the same room as last week. So upstairs, if you want to go and do a medical check, you can leave upstairs.
Hey, Jake.
Right.
Hello. Okay. Hello again. You good? Yeah, good, thank you. I've got your passport.
Hello, you okay? Nice to meet you.
Good, you okay? Right.
Yeah, good. Alright, lad, you okay? Yeah, good.
Hello, you okay? See you again. I've got your passport.
Hello, you okay? Nice to meet you.
Hug. Okay. Go on, Owen.
John's gone downstairs somewhere now.
I've got your passport. Hello, you okay? You good?
Yeah,
Have your
good, thank
passport?
you.
Yes, please. Perfect.
Hey, Ben.
Alright, please.
Something.
How are you? Good, yeah?
What's happening?
Hello. How are you? Okay? Good? Nice to have you back. You got your passport?
You okay? How you doing? You okay? Yeah, good, thank you. You okay? How you doing? Yeah, how about you okay?
Good to see you. You okay?
Got you.
You okay?
Brown, what are you doing?
Leo clubs today. No, I've not been away. I've been in Swansea or on the beach all day.
Comment.
You okay?
You leave a comment. Right. Okay.
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
back.
Yes, how are we?
Thank you.
Okay. Oh no, I did have it. It's in my car, but I can always go home.
You can
Yeah.
grab it for me, that would be amazing.
Yeah, no problem.
That's your room.
Hey, you okay? How are you? You okay? Thank you so much.
Okay.
You right, bud?
Hey, bud, how are you?
Good, yeah?
Very good.
Are we? You okay? You right?
You got your passport?
Yeah, got it. Hello, mate. You okay? You good? Hi,
Are you
hey.
okay?
You right?
Yeah, good, thank you.
How are we? Good to see you, eh?
We're in the same room as last week.
Yeah.
Upstairs.
I'll catch you next
See
time,
you,
buddy.
mate. Thank you very much.
Cheers,
legend.
buddy. Janet.
How are you? Alright. What you got today?
Sardinia.
Good, how are you? I've got your
Hi,
passport.
how are you? Okay?
You've got your passport.
Are we? You okay?
You've got your passport.
Yes, I have.
Hi, you okay?
Hey, bud, you right? Good, yeah. Alright? I got it up, I can be late.
Good. I've got your passport.
Get a party.
Swap. We're upstairs.
Oh, we're upstairs, okay. Thank you. Should I stick it up?
I just take it in the lift.
How are you look? You right?
It's still a couple.
I don't know.
Yeah, so.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Alright, mate, you okay?
Sam, nice to meet you.
Spot of golf.
Oh, just a little. Ooh! There's the locks as well. I beat him. See you, fella.
Alright, lad.
Did you get changed here?
I know, what is he doing?
Lad, we smack it. Just go to your room first. Lad, I'm not going to my room.
Thank you.
You're late. You're already late.
Come on, let's go. Just go down like that. Now, what am I seeing?
It's got your piece out, mate. I love it, bro. Sorry.
Neck, you got a room, you know? You got a room, mate.
I know, bro.
He's panicking now.
Don't be
Where? Are we downstairs or upstairs?
Can we leave our stuff here then when we go up?
You're going to be so late.
We're going to be going up.